Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial of Tech Assist. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create or start a YouTube channel on your device. Now in order to create a YouTube channel, first you need to log into your web browser. You can use any one of the web browser that is convenient to you, as I'm using Chrome. So on top there is a search bar, type www.youtube.com, and if you're not sure about the link, I will leave the link on the description box as well. Next you land inside a profile page of YouTube, and the interface looks something like this. Now here you can see there are different videos, so you can tap on any one of the video and then play it. Now the most important part is creating your channel or creating your account. So before you create your account, first you need to sign in. So for that, on the same page, move towards your upper right corner, and on top there is sign in, so tap on it. So next you land inside Google sign in, which means that you need to sign in with your phone number or an email address. And regardless if you don't have any one of these following, you can tap on create account. So once you tap on create account, there are three different options, that is for myself, for my child, to manage my business. So now you need to tap on any one of these following. So as we are dealing with creating an account, so for that tap on for myself. Now on the other page there is create your Google account to continue to YouTube. So under it you need to enter your first name and the last name, so enter it. And down there is your email address. So if you have an email address, so enter your email address, and if you don't have an account, so tap on create new account or create new Gmail address instead. So now you need to enter your username, that means a Gmail account username. So enter your username. So once you're done creating your username, on the third step there is password. So you need to create a password. So now enter a new password. So once again you need to re-enter your password in order to confirm. Now once you're done entering all your information, now down there tap on next. Now on the second step there is recovery email address. Now if you're wondering what recovery email address is, now in case if you lose your password or in case if you forgot your user ID or your account has been hacked, so in order to recover your account, a password or an OTP or a link will be sent to a recovery email address. So it is also optional, so you can either enter it or leave it blank. Now down there on the third step, that is your birth date, which is mandatory. So you need to enter your birth date correctly. Now on the fourth step, there is your gender, which is also mandatory. Right in the corner there is small arrow, so tap on the icon, and from here you need to select your gender. And once you're done entering all your information, tap on next. So on the other page you will be directed into privacy and terms. Now go through the following statement carefully, only then tap on I agree, which is right in the bottom. So once you're done setting up a Google account or signing into YouTube, so once again you land inside a profile page of YouTube. On the same page, move towards your upward right hand corner, and right in the corner there is your user ID, so tap on it. So as you tap on your user ID, on the other side there is a pop-up window and there is a list of options. Now in order to create a YouTube channel, you need to tap on create a channel, which is on the first step. Now another pop-up window appears, and here you have upload picture. So if you have a picture or if you want to upload your image, so tap on upload picture. Now as soon as you tap on upload picture, on the upper left hand corner your file page loads, and from here you need to select your correct file or a folder. So for example, my folder is this one. So once you're done selecting your image, so tap on done, which is right in the bottom. So once you're done selecting your picture, on top you can see your user ID, and underneath there is your name. So if you want to change it, you can simply change it by removing it and creating a new one. So as you are done selecting your picture and entering your username, right in the bottom there is create account, so tap on it. Now as you can see that my account has been created, and all I need to do is upload a video to get started. Now this is how you can create a YouTube channel on your device. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.